Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Goggings. This is Haley Rose, and I will teach you how to make chili garlic sauce. Chili garlic sauce is a popular condiment known for its spicy and garlicky flavor. It can be used as a dipping sauce, a marinade, or added to various dishes to provide a spicy kick. Here's a simple recipe for making chili garlic sauce at home. Here are the main ingredients that we need. 300 grams red chili pepper, siling laboyo. Remove the stem from the red chili pepper. 2 bold garlic peeled. In a food processor or blender, combine the chilies and garlic cloves and a cup of cooking oil. Begin blending the ingredients, adding oil as needed to achieve a smooth sauce-like consistency. Make sure all the ingredients are combined. Time to cook! Heat the saucepan over medium heat. Once it's hot, add the blended chili garlic mixture to the pan. Add 1 more cup of cooking oil. Slowly cook the sauce, stirring frequently. This cooking process helps develop the flavor and reduces the raw garlicky taste. After 20 minutes of slow cooking, you can now add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 teaspoon salt. Adjust the salt and sugar levels to your liking. You can add more sugar for a sweeter sauce or more salt for extra seasoning. 2 tablespoons of liquid seasoning. This is optional, but we use it to add extra flavor and scent to our sauce. After 30 minutes, our chili garlic sauce is done. Allow the chili garlic sauce to cool to room temperature, then transfer it to a clean airtight jar or container. Chili garlic sauce can be used as a condiment for dumplings, noodles, stir fries, and more. It's a versatile and flavorful addition to many dishes, so feel free to get creative with how you use it. If you like the recipe, please like and comment, share and subscribe to our channel and follow our FB page for more cooking tutorials. Cooking with Goggings, this has been Haley Rose. Thank you for watching.